Hey everyone, and welcome back to the OceanBase YouTube channel. I'm Annie from OceanBase Community. Today we're diving into a big question. Should you manage vectors separately or integrate them with your database? If you're building AI apps, this choice matters more than ever. Let's break it down, and I'll show you how OceanBase is changing the game. First, let's talk about traditional vector database architectures. In most setups today, things are split between two systems. You've got one database handling your structured business data, like user profiles, product catalogs, and transactions, and a separate vector database like FAISS, Milvus, or Pinecone, just for embeddings and similarity search. The problem is that your app now has to juggle both. You need to keep data in sync, run separate queries on each system, and then manually piece the results together. Additionally, you're managing and scaling two different tech stacks, which adds significant complexity and overhead. Sure, it can work, but as your app grows, it quickly becomes fragile, hard to maintain, and expensive. So, what's the real pain here? Well, first, you've got data consistency issues. If syncing fails, your vectors and structured data can easily get out of sync. Then there's the operational overhead. You're basically managing everything twice. Double the storage, double the backups, double the monitoring and upgrades. And let's talk about queries. You can't just join vector results with your business data. You have to write custom logic in your app to make it all work. It's messy. And finally, scaling becomes a headache. Structured data and vector search often need completely different approaches. Bottom line. Split systems slow you down, create silos, and make it a lot harder to build fast, reliable, AI-powered features. OceanBase takes a different approach. Instead of treating vectors as something separate, it builds vector search right into its distributed SQL engine. That means your vectors and structured data are stored together in one place. No need for a separate system or extra syncing. You can query both in a single SQL statement, just like you'd expect. It also comes with fast, built-in approximate nearest neighbor search using algorithms like IVF and HNSW, all fully optimized inside the database. And because it's all transactional, your updates stay consistent, no more worrying about things getting out of sync. Best of all, it scales horizontally for both structured and vector workloads, using the same high-availability architecture OceanBase is known for. In short, it's one platform, one system to manage, and everything you need to power both AI and business applications. It's a simpler, smarter way to build the next generation of apps. Why should you care? Because modern applications aren't just about data storage, they're about delivering smarter, faster, and more personalized experiences. And that's where OceanBase unified architecture really shines. It gives you faster development, lower operational overhead, greater reliability, and seamless scaling for AI-powered features. You can focus on building great products without worrying about stitching databases together. That's the OceanBase difference. If you're serious about powering AI features, chatbots, semantic search, recommendations, OceanBase gives you an edge. Like what you saw? Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. And if you want to go deeper or ask questions, come hang out with us in the OceanBase Discord community. We'd love to connect. See you next time.